Hello, hello, Inward Office friends. Next week on Thursday, April 7th at 4:30 p.m., we're going to be holding a free Yoga for Stress Relief class. This class will integrate a lot of checking in with yourself and noticing those biological indicators of stress. And it's also a way to learn some of the yoga techniques that help us move from a state of high arousal, of maybe panic, anxiety, to a state where we're more tuned in to what's going on inside of our bodies. Now, this might mean that we're able to come to a more calm state, but we really hope that it will help you more clearly tune in to those signs that you receive moment to moment all day long about your level of arousal, of stress arousal. And so I hope you can join us. I want to do a really short exercise with you right now that will be in class next week. It's called alternate nostril breathing. And to me, it is one of the quickest ways to move from this externalized, highly influenced by our environment, circumstances, external demands, to a state of more inner balance, well-being, inner awareness. Okay. And so what we're going to do first, if you feel comfortable, close your eyes or let your eyes rest on a point in front of you. Take a moment to notice any significant sensations or emotions or environmental sounds. Begin to notice breathing. Not changing anything, but noticing the effect of the breath in the whole body. And closing off the right nostril, let's breathe in through the left. Switch sides, exhale through the right. Breathe in through the right. Full breath, breathe out through the left. Breathe in through left. Switch, breathe out through right. Breathe in through right. Switch, breathe out through left. Breathe in left. Switch, breathe out right. Breathe in right. Switch, breathe out left. Let the practice go. Notice the natural pace of breathing. Notice any changes. So join us next week. That's April 7th, Thursday at 4:30 for this free 45-minute class. And even if you sign up, you will get the recording, even if you can't make it live. So I look forward to seeing you there. Have a wonderful, wonderful day and week. I'm Marla, again from Inward Office.